had to go get my weights. Why? Because if you've been looking at anything in the last few months, you have seen where those of us who are in the perimenopause and postmenopause ages need to lift heavy. And the reason for that is because we know that it's harder to build bone and it's easier for our bone to get broken down as our estrogen levels are declining. So when we lift heavy, we are protecting ourselves from what are called osteoporotic fractures. Those are breaks in the bone from simple trip and falls or things along those lines. So I am hoping to prevent that as long as I can. So what did this trial show us? The Lift More trial. The Lift More trial was over 100 participants who basically were between about 59 and 69 were coming in to see how exercise truly could transform their body. And by lifting heavy, at least 2 sessions that were supervised visits per week, we saw that bone was actually being built. So what exactly were they doing? What exactly does it mean to lift heavy? Well, if you can only do 1 rep, and that's your max for a specific weight. So say, for example, it's a 20-pound weight, and you can only do it 1 time, that is supposed to be your max. So lifting about 80 to 85% of your max, at least 5 repetitions, and at least 5 times, you can build your bone back. So, for example, if I had a 20-pound weight and I could only lift it 1 time with a bicep curl, and I take about 80% of that, it's about a 16-pound weight. So, if I had, I'm gonna just use a 15-pound weight because that's what I have. If I did that 5 reps, and I did that 5 times, twice a week, that could help me lift heavy so that I am building back my bones. So they did things like deadlifts and they did bicep curls and other forms of exercise, but that is game changing for us menopausal women. So please, please, please listen to me and start lifting heavy. All right, guys, hopefully this has been a great tip or trick for you. This is the end of Menopause Awareness Month and also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. See my pink lips? So make sure that you protect yourselves, everyone. Hopefully you are liking our post and following our page. Make sure to share with those that you love. All right, everybody, bye.